Wheel balance is always effective eliminating imbalanced forces. But in some cases, wheel and tire assemblies can have other conditions that may cause vibration. Conditions such as runout, for example. Runout can occur in the wheel or the tire and looks like this. Excessive runout can cause vibration. Some tires may have a condition called force variation. Imagine the tire as a series of springs attached to a hub. If one of the springs is stiffer than the others, it will make the wheel roll like this. Every time the stiff spot contacts the road, it bumps the wheel up. At speeds, this can cause vibration. To detect and fix these non-balance problems, we use Hunter's Road Force System. Equipped with a load roller, each wheel can be tested as if it's rolling down the road. If problems are detected, we know exactly what to do to correct the problem. The wheel is then finish balanced and ready to go. So if your wheels require more than just balance, see our service writer today and ask about our Road Force Vibration Service.